Thoroughly stir the adhesive before use and during installation. Remove the membrane from the angle at least 20 to 30 centimeters. Spread the adhesive onto both the membrane and support. Use a roller or flat brush to ensure an even layer across the entire surface. Apply the adhesive in parallel on both surfaces. Make sure the adhesive is dry by pressing with your finger. No threads should form when lifting. Slide the membrane for adhesion. Once it reaches the angle, press with your fingertips. Begin adhesion up to the vertical surface from the center, avoiding wrinkles. Press the angle with the detail roller. Finish by applying pressure with the roller across the entire surface to ensure full contact. Consult for suitable membrane termination.